Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you the easiest way to record your Windows computer screen. Let's get started. Step 1. Download OBS Studio. First, we need an app called OBS Studio to record our screen. To get it, 1. Open Google and search for OBS Studio. 2. Click on the OBS Studio website. 3. Scroll down and click Download Installer. After downloading, open the installer and follow the steps to install OBS Studio. Step 3. Set up display capture. Once installed, open OBS Studio. At first, the screen will be black. That's because we need to set it up to capture our display. Here's how. 1. Click the plus icon in the Sources section. 2. Select Display Capture and click OK. 3. Choose your monitor's resolution, your display, and click OK. Now, you can see your screen inside OBS Studio. Step 4. Start recording. To start recording, 1. On the right side, click Start Recording. OBS will start recording your screen. 2. When you're done, click Stop Recording. You can find your recorded video in your computer's Videos folder. That's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.